Hey, Chris Allen here for Allen Trench Safety. Today we'll be adding extensions to our hydraulic vertical shores. In front of us, we have a 52 to 88 hydraulic vertical shore on a 1.5 rail, which has a working range of 52 to 88 inches. We'll be adding a 24-inch extension and creating a new working range of 76 to 112 inches. There are just a few simple steps to this process, and really, it's a great way to add a lot of versatility to your fleet at a fraction of the cost. First, let's remove the socket pad with a 1.5 rail attached to it. You can remove the rail if you wish, but it will add another step in assembling your hydraulic vertical shore. Once we have the socket pad removed, we'll slide the oversleeve off the hydraulic vertical shore. Then we will slide our 24-inch extension over the hydraulic vertical shore where the oversleeve previously had been. Line up the holes in the 24-inch extension with the holes in the piston and slide the pins in place. Then place the socket pad with the 1.5 rail still attached onto the end of the 24-inch extension and pin it in place. Now you have a working hydraulic vertical shore. Hydraulic vertical shore extensions come in a variety of sizes ranging from 11 inches to 72 inches. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more at Allen Trench Safety.